Hello guys, we will see encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is second major pillar of object-oriented programming structure after abstraction. Now encapsulation means we are binding together data and procedure in a single unit, which is called as class. Encapsulation is also achieved using private keyword in Java. Now there are benefits. What are the benefits of encapsulation? The fields of the class can be made read-only using encapsulation. Then a class can have total control over what is stored inside that class. That is nothing but fields. And one more benefit is end user need not to bother about how class is storing data or how it is performing the operations on data. So end user will be able to access class or its procedures, but it don't know what is going on internally. So one example for encapsulation is given where one class is written which is encap test. Here there are few attributes mentioned like name, ID, number, age, and for each attribute it has defined set method and get method. So let's implement this example in Eclipse.
This program shows you how to implement encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is binding members of a class and methods of a class together in a class. Now when I write encap test class, I have taken the attributes name, ID, number and age, and there are methods which are get and set methods for those attributes. In main method I am creating the object of encap test class, then I am setting name attribute to some string which is say Ram, and I am printing the name. So if I run this, I will get the output. So this is how we achieve encapsulation in Java.